All right, I'm back with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and today we're going to discuss something that is it's not a topic that comes up a lot, but it is something that if you've ever experienced it, it can be traumatic, and that is getting bit by a dog or any type of animal. And David actually has had a case in which his client was breaking up a dog fight and was injured. David, explain about that case and what exactly happened.
Well, I get calls sometimes and people say, well, I wasn't bitten by a dog, but as a result of a dog attacking my dog, I got injured. And it could be you trying to break up with the dog and the other dog bites your finger or any other your body part. Or in this particular case, the dog that had been able to escape because the owner had failed to properly secure the dog from its property, it never bit my client. What that particular dog did was, my client's testimony was, I was taking an evening stroll with my two kids and my dog, and next thing I know, this dog approached us, and I had the option of running and leaving my kids behind, and potentially this loose dog would attack my kids, or standing my ground and hoping that this dog would leave. Well, the dog did not leave, and it came towards his dog and attacked his dog. And of course, as any dog lovers of dogs, my client attempted to pick up his dog because the other dog was chomping down on him just to be able to save him. And in the process of trying to pick him up, the dog jumped up on his dog, and as a result, my client's middle finger snapped. And he was a airplane mechanic, not pilot. And you can imagine mechanics use their hand all the time, and as a result of that injury, he had to have 2 surgeries, so he had to take time off of work. But ultimately, to answer the question was, there's no need that you have to actually get bitten by a dog in order to be able to recover as a result of a dog attack. I had another case where my client went and knocked on a door, and these dogs, again, they were not properly secured on the property. They came loose. They started running after my client. My client got scared, turned around to throw his key at the dogs, and as a result, tripped and fell on both of his wrists and buttocks. He had a fracture to his spine, and both wrists were fractured. And again, in that case, even though he was not bitten by the dog, the fact that the owner of the dog was negligent for failing to properly secure his dogs, he was responsible. And my clients were able to say that because of his negligence, they sustained injury as a result of the dogs attempting to attack him.
Absolutely. So if you have been injured in any type of dog or animal situation, please feel free to contact the law offices of David Azizi. As David said, you don't necessarily have to be bitten to file a personal injury claim. The phone number will be above and below of the YouTube video and the YouTube information. And thank you for your time, David.
All right, thank you.